McDonald's Snack Wrap, Nutrition and Calories Overview, Health Awareness. Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever gone through a McDonald's drive-thru, ordered a snack wrap, and thought, hey, it's just a little wrap. Can't be that bad, right? Yeah, me too. But today we're going to take a closer look, not just at McDonald's snack wrap calories, but at what they really mean for your health every day. And trust me, it's not about guilt-tripping you. I'm not here to tell you to never eat fast food. I'm here to help you make smart choices, the kind your future self will thank you for. Part 1. What is a snack wrap? So what exactly is a snack wrap? It's McDonald's take on a quick grab-and-go wrap. Picture this. A warm flour tortilla wrapped around either crispy or grilled chicken, shredded lettuce, a sprinkle of cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese, and a drizzle of sauce, usually ranch, honey mustard, or spicy mayo. Sounds pretty simple, right? It's smaller than a burger, lighter than a combo meal, and kind of feels like the healthier option on the menu. That's what makes it so tempting, especially if you're just looking for a snack between meals, or you're trying to make a better choice at the drive-thru. But just because it looks light doesn't mean it always is. And in this video, we're going to break down why understanding what's inside this little wrap can make a big difference in your health every day. Part 2. Nutrition and Real Calories. All right, let's talk numbers for a second. If you go with the crispy chicken snack wrap, you're looking at about 330 to 360 calories per wrap. Not terrible, as long as you're eating just one and not adding fries and a soda on the side. Now, if you choose the grilled version, it's lighter, around 250 to 290 calories, with less fat and sodium. Sounds reasonable, right? But here's something I want you to think about. According to Dr. James Carter, a clinical nutrition expert from Oregon who's worked with patients struggling with obesity and heart conditions, he told me something that stuck. It's not the calorie count that gets people into trouble. It's the hidden habits behind it. He told me about a patient who ate snack wraps every day because she thought they were healthy, but she always ordered 2, drank sweet tea, skipped breakfast, and snacked late at night. The wrap wasn't the problem. The problem was the belief. It's small, so it must be harmless. And that's exactly why health every day isn't just about what you eat. It's about why you eat it. Part 3. Crispy or grilled? What should you choose when you're hungry? So if you had to choose, which one's better? Let's break it down. The crispy chicken snack wrap gives you that satisfying crunch, no doubt about it. But it also comes with more saturated fat and sodium. Great for flavor, sure, but maybe not the best call if you're thinking long-term, especially when it comes to heart health or weight balance. Now the grilled chicken version, it cuts the fat nearly in half. It's lighter, cleaner, and honestly, if you're someone trying to stay energized, focused, or just feel better throughout the day, it's the smarter pick. I once asked Dr. Carter this exact question. If you had to recommend one to someone trying to stay healthy even while eating on the go, which would you pick? He didn't hesitate. Grilled, he said. It's the kind of protein that fuels your day, not slows it down. So yeah, grilled takes the win, especially if you're trying to live by the principle of health every day. Part 4. A light snack. Or just fooling yourself. Here's something you might not expect me to say. Sometimes, a snack wrap is a better choice, especially when you're running errands, stuck on the road, or just need something quick to hold you over. It's smaller than a burger, more balanced than a box of fries. And if you skip the sauce or ask for it on the side, even better. But the real key here is awareness. That's what Dr. Carter kept emphasizing when we spoke. Fast food isn't the problem. The real problem is when people stop paying attention to what they're putting in their bodies. You think you're having something light, but 2 snack wraps, a sugary drink, and no real fiber? That's not lunch. That's a trap in disguise. So the next time you pick up that little wrap, ask yourself, am I really choosing a light snack? Or am I just telling myself a comfortable lie? That's the kind of honesty Health Every Day is built on. Part 5. Habits matter more than math. So here's the real question. Not how many calories are in a snack wrap, but rather, how often are you eating them? Once a week? Totally fine. Every day? Maybe it's time to take a closer look. Because Health Every Day doesn't mean perfection. It means consistency with awareness. Sometimes, being healthy isn't about eliminating all fast food. It's about the little swaps you make without turning your life upside down. Maybe that means choosing grilled instead of crispy, saying no to the soda, pairing your snack wrap with water or a piece of fruit instead of fries. No guilt, no pressure, just small decisions that add up, the kind that make a difference over time. Because in the end, your body doesn't just respond to what you eat, it responds to what you do repeatedly. And those everyday choices, they're either building your health or quietly chipping away at it. Part 6. Small wrap, big habits. If you were to ask me, should I eat snack wraps or avoid them completely, I wouldn't say yes or no. Instead, I'd ask you something deeper. What kind of life are you trying to live, and how do you want to feel every day? The snack wrap isn't bad. It's just one small choice in a day full of choices. And those choices, repeated over and over, are what shape your health, your energy, your mood, even your confidence. Health Every Day isn't about eating salad 24/7. It's about being honest with yourself. Asking questions like, am I truly caring for my body today? Am I choosing what energizes me or what numbs me for a moment? That's the real work. And it doesn't happen all at once. It starts in moments like this, when you decide to look at your food, not with guilt, but with clarity. So what about you? Are you starting to think differently about those small choices? About how something as simple as a snack wrap can either be just a snack or a signal of your deeper habits? Do you usually go for the crispy or the grilled snack wrap? And what's one small food habit you've changed or want to change to better support your health? I'd love to hear your thoughts, your story, your real-life experience. Because that's what this channel is about. Not perfection, not shame, but awareness, action, and progress. And hey, if this video helped you see food in a more mindful way, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more honest conversations like this. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of your body, honor your choices, and remember, health every day doesn't happen by accident. It happens one decision at a time. I'll see you in the next one.